Hello everyone, thank you once again for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today let me share with you this simple recipe. We are making tiger nut pudding with just a little bit of twist. You will love this, so just trust the process. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. So now, without wasting my time, let's dive right in. Alright, so obviously we're going to be needing some tiger nuts. So without wasting my time, let's start to wash this tiger nut very well. So in a different bowl, I'll transfer my tiger nut into it and I'll go in with some water. I will wash it very well because tiger nuts can sometimes be really dirty, so we need to wash it for about 3 to 4 times to get a perfect result. So as we wash as well, we're going to take off any unwanted thing that we don't need from the tiger nut. If you don't take it out, you're not going to really enjoy your pudding very well. So remember as well to take off any unwanted particles from your tiger nut. So after washing the tiger nut for about 3 to 4 times off camera, I'm going to soak this for about 3 hours or 5 hours. You can also soak this overnight if you have the time. All right, so next I'm also going to be using rice. You can also use any type of rice that you want. This is perfumed rice. I'm also going to soak this for about 3 hours as well. So after 3 hours, this is how the tiger nut looks like. It's a little bit soft, but the best time to soak this is to soak it for about 3 hours or more so that you can really get a very soft tiger nut. But yes, remove if you don't have a very good blender, you just have to wait a little bit more. All right, so after the tiger nut and the rice is ready, I will transfer everything into my blender and I'm going to be blending this gradually because I really want the tiger nut to really come out very smooth. I'll go in with some water and I'll start to blend until it's nice and very smooth. So whilst that is done, we're going to need a bowl and a chiffon cloth or anything that can help you strain out the juice to get rid of the chaff. After that, I'm going to transfer my blended tiger nut and the rice into my chiffon cloth and I'll make sure to squeeze out the juice very well. The juice is what we need for the recipe, not the chaff, so kindly note it. So let's squeeze it until we achieve the perfect results. Alright, so once we are done squeezing out the juice, this is the new addition to the tiger nut pudding. I'm going to go in with some Tom Brown powder and I'm just going to be using a little bit of Tom Brown powder because I don't want it to overshadow the pudding at all, right? I really want to have a very good taste of the tiger nut and the Tom Brown at the same time, but I want the tiger nut to be a little bit more than the Tom Brown powder. So now after mixing everything well, you just have to make sure you don't have any lumps after mixing and the consistency should be just perfect, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. So now the flame is now on. I'll start to stir it so that it doesn't develop any lumps. Remember as well to keep an eye on it. So whilst that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking this video, also sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after stirring the porridge for about 10 to 15 minutes now, this is how it turned out. As you can see, it has thickened up a little bit and that's just perfect. So I'm going to set this aside, and you all know tiger nut pudding, we don't go in with the sugar directly. Just have to melt some sugar and allow it to caramelize a little bit, and afterwards I'll go in with a little bit of water to reduce the bitterness of the sugar a little bit and also to make it more light. Remember not to allow the sugar to darken up very well because you wouldn't love the taste at all. So this is the right consistency and that's just perfect. So moving forward, I'm going to transfer the sugar into my tiger nut pudding, and I'm going to stir very well until everything is nice and well incorporated. You might think the sugar wasn't enough, but I tell you, the sugar was just perfect for the amount of tiger nut that I'm preparing. Trust me on this one. So that's the perfect consistency that I want. You can also go in with just a little bit of water to reduce the thickness a little bit, because tiger nuts, the more it cools down, the more it becomes very thick. So next I'm going to go in with some vanilla essence and salt to taste. I will stir everything together and allow it to cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, and it should be ready. So now allow it to cool down, because that is when you're going to enjoy all that good taste in this pudding. Trust me on this one. So now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. So I already have some milk in my cups, which I'm going to enjoy it alongside with this pudding, because why not? Now I just can't wait to taste this deliciousness. Alright, so far let me know in the comment section what you think about this tiger nut pudding. I loved it very well, and I hope you're going to try. Just look at how delicious and mouth-watering this pudding turn out. Just trust the process and you will love the outcome. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first persons to be notified. Thank you so much, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.